John Niederman here with ZESTRON. In my upcoming webinar, Implementing a High-Volume Manufacturing Process for High-Reliability Electronics Assemblies, you'll learn about today's rapidly advancing technological landscape and why ensuring the reliability of electronics assemblies is more crucial than ever. These assemblies are the backbone of industries like medical, aerospace, military, computing, and automotive. As technology continues to evolve, electronics assemblies are becoming integral to a growing number of applications, such as autonomous vehicles, AI computing, robotic surgery, satellites, rockets, manned and unmanned military vehicles. To meet the rigorous demands of these applications, additional steps and processes are often necessary. One such critical process is cleaning. Removing manufacturing residues is essential to ensure the reliability and longevity of these electronics assemblies. On November 21st, I will be presenting a case study where ZESTRON assisted a manufacturer in implementing a high-volume, high-reliability cleaning process. This presentation will review key factors required to meet desired production-level efficiencies while optimizing associated costs. I hope to see you there.